Fuck me running. Please, do it again. Woo! Look, it's Tartaria. Mother Nature. Do as I say. Woo! Don't blow it up, boo. Don't blow it up. Just give us free power. I got power. It's getting kind of heavy.
Concentrated right there too.
It's crazy. Whoa! I'm videoing it all. Like this is the best fucking video I've ever taken. Oh, did you catch anything? Arriva. Whatever. Wow. I'm just fucking. I'm still just videoing it.
Put a streak to come through there now.
Wow. She's showing her ass, huh?
Mother Nature.
Yes. She's stone cold. She's like, fuck you, TD, and your goddamn lookout. Ooh.
By the way,
Damn, homie. This is crazy. I'm so glad you're seeing it. Because I've been looking at... And you're watching around for people and shit, right? Alright. Wow. It's just... Wow. Whoa!
I missed that one, but I can't.
Dang!
That shit like fucking Independence Day looking shit.
Dude, what the hell is happening? That is not heat. It is not that hot out here. Y'all, look behind you. Y'all are missing. Mother Nature. Damn it. As soon as I say it. Look. Yes. Right there by that. Whatever. We're a spindle, turn, whatever the hell it. Whoa! She is so... Is she pissed? Is she showing off? I don't get it. I think she's trying to show TD.
Wow.
It's just bizarro world. We're about to have some fucking serious ass argument. I wish you could see in this fucking thing that I'm filming right now. It's like these two like demon things in the clouds. You're gonna die when you see it. Look at this one and that one. Look at them. They're fucking blowing that shit back and forth at one another. Whoa! Y'all, look at the lightning, please. Come on. I mean, you can't. No, it's and that ain't nothing. It is. She is. Mother Nature is wilding. You're drunk, girl. Go home. Woo! Thank y'all for being good listeners. I'm so corny. Fucking crazy.
Dream catcher.
Wow. I mean, she's just not letting up. Whoa. Ooh, and that one was all pink and shit. I'm backing up. Where did Venus or whatever go? And what? Is that the moon over there? Wow. I'm on 3 minutes and 30 seconds. It's been going straight for that long. Wow. It's the government. It's the man. Whoa, I'm back. Oh! I can't wait for you to see this freaking face in the clouds. This is crazy. And I ain't even on drugs.